Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, TheSimplyCa. My name is Alana, and in today's class we are going to be doing a short cardio strength workout. You can expect 2 rounds, and we'll repeat each exercise in each round twice. So we'll do 1 round of the exercises, repeat, and then we'll move on to the next set of exercises. No equipment necessary. You've got everything you need with just a nice simple mat. If you enjoy this content, let me know by giving me the thumbs up, comment down below, and let's get straight into today's workout. All right, we are going to be starting off with a lunge into a reverse leg lift. So start with your right foot forward or left foot forward, doesn't make a difference to me, but get ready for that lunge position. Really nice and strong for your core. We're gonna get going here. So really nice long step. Weight is in your front heel. Here we go. So lunge down, step up onto your standing leg, squeeze your glute. Lunge down, step onto your standing leg, squeeze your glute. So we're really activating the glutes here. You've got this right glute happening, and then squeeze left glute. You've also got the hamstring as you stand up. Core is supporting you, and then we're going to switch straight on to the other leg. So here you go. Change it up, couple seconds to switch sides. Weights in your front heel, lunge deep, step, squeeze your back glute. Strong and as straight as you can in that back leg. You can play with your arms. I'm really just showing you sort of like what's happening here. Really squeeze that back leg. Next up, we're gonna stay in an airplane shape. So we're gonna switch onto the other side. We're gonna come into an airplane shape and then reach out, pull in and crunch. So you're working your stabilizers here. Pull in and crunch, as well as using your core. And with your arms reaching up, you might feel a little bit of a flush come through your body. Good. And then we're going to switch to the other side. So reach out, pull in, tighten up your core, nice and open through your collarbones. Exhale as you engage your core and tuck in. Nice work, everyone. Whoop. Keep going, even as I lose balance. Awesome. We're gonna come out into a nice wide stance. Bend your right knee, stay low, bend your left knee. Right knee, left knee. So you can stay up and shift side to side, or you can touch side to side. Your choice. Sit your weight back, toes, heels point forwards and backwards. Just a few more seconds here. Strong in your core, open in your collarbones. All right. Going back to the top, set yourself up for your lunge. Squeeze, glute lift. Lunge, glute lift. Nice work, 10 more seconds. Last time you're going to see this exercise. On this side. All right, setting yourself up, other side. Dig down through the heel of your left foot or that front foot. Nice low lunge, squeeze and engage. Straight legs as much as you can. Nice work. For real, last 10 seconds of this exercise. Woo! Right. Getting yourself back onto the other leg. Come into that airplane shape. Exhale, curl and tuck. Reach out, pull in. Exhale as you draw in. So really using your core here, and your core wraps around your entire midsection. So it's not just the abs in the front, it includes strengthening your back. All right, other side, setting yourself up. Pull it. Inhale, stretch out. Exhale, contract. And your standing leg here has a softness to the knee. 10 more seconds here. Stick with it. Touch something if you need your balance. Awesome work. All right. Both legs out nice and wide. Sit down, shift. So stay low and you're shifting side to side. You can touch or you can stay up, but keep your bum low. Ten more seconds. Last time for this round of exercises. Let's move on to the next set. All right, coming down onto your forearms. You're gonna walk in and out in a dolphin setup. So dolphin plank, dolphin, dolphin plank, dolphin. Really press down through your forearms. Press into your shoulders. So lift your hips and your core up. Feet out nice and wide. And you're going to do some hip drops. One side and then the other. You can have your feet together, you can have your knees on the mat. I'm just stepping my feet out wider so you don't have to hear my mat. Good, stick with it. Okay, lying down onto your back, feet out nice and wide. Coming into some bridges here, so knees, toes point out, knees point out. Up and down. You can have your hands next to you. You can have your hands up overhead. I personally like to add the intensity of arms stretched up. Good job. All right. Knees come in. You're going to lift up and touch your toes. Stretch out long. Exhale, touch. Stretch out long. If you need to keep your head on the mat, you can do this with your head down. Last little ab exercise here, feet out at tabletop. You're gonna lower your right toes, lower your left toes, lower both toes. Right toes, left toes, both toes. Try to keep your back really nice and long and as flat as you can, just like a natural softening of the lumbar spine, but try to keep your back smooth along the mat. Okay, back up into the forearm plank. Dolphin plank, dolphin lift. Dolphin plank, dolphin lift. exercises. Stick with it. Last 10 seconds. Step your feet up nice and wide, or you can have your feet together, or you can be on your knees. So if you're on your knees, it's just a smaller action. Stick with it. Second round. You got this. 10 seconds. Alright. Lie down on your back. Feet up nice and wide. Toes out, heels in. Lift your glutes. Lower. Squeeze at the top and lower. Try to press your knees on the same turnout as your toes. Last 10 seconds and hold up. Press your knees out, hold your glutes up, squeeze your glutes. All right, lie your back down on the mat. You're gonna curl in, touch your toes, stretch out long. You can keep your head on the mat if you need to. Exhale as you tuck in. Here we go. Last one. Knees at tabletop. Right toes, left toes, both toes. Try to keep your back nice and flat. So if your toes don't touch together, that's okay. You can lower as much as you or as little as you need to. And if you need this to be harder, go with straight legs. The core is really strongly engaged, so don't worry about straightening your legs. Keep engagement and awareness around your core. Oh my goodness, you are done. Great job, everyone. If you want a little stretch out at the end of this, link down into one of the short, stretchy, slow yoga videos.